today we will finish the Hangul, the Korean alphabet. So that is really good thing. So I want to start the class with big applause for everyone. Good job, you guys are doing good job so far. And as you remember, last week we finished all of the letters. So we know all of the consonants and all of the vowels in Korean. So what we are going to do is review and making them in actual syllables. So after today, you can read and write all of the Hangul and your names in Korean too, like that. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, great. So we know this. What are these?
Vowels.
Vowels. Yes, now we know those are the vowels. And this is
Consonants.
consonants. Good job. Good job. So before starting today's class, we'll do lots of reviews. Okay, we'll start with vowels and start with a quiz. Vowels can make a syllable by itself. Is it true or false? True, false?
True.
True or false? On the screen, let me check. The answers are really half and half. Okay, so vowels can make a syllable by itself. The answer is true, but what do we need? What do we need? Yes, the circle thing, the silent consonant, to make them fit in a square-shaped syllable, right? Good job, good job. And then a syllable, a Korean Hangul syllable, can have more than one vowel, So we can make with 2 vowels, 3 vowels, true or false. I'm not sure. True, false. The answer is false. Every syllable has only one vowel in there. So vowel is really important as the center of a syllable. Okay, so we had 10 basic vowels and we also learned 11 combined vowels last week. Okay, so let's start with the basic vowels. Now it's too easy for us. Okay, let's start from here. Open your mouth and repeat after me. Ah. Great. Ya. O. Yo. Good job. And then, what's next? U. Yo. U. Great. You. And then last 2, and then big smile, E, great, E, good job. And another quiz. Each vowel, we have 21 vowels, and each vowel has different sound. Number 1, 2, or 3. Number 2, 3. Yes, the answer is number 3. Number 3. I'm not sure. Good job. Thank you for being honest. Okay, the answer is number 3. Some of them has really similar sound, so I just call them, they have same sound. So let's check the combined vowels. Okay, these 2. Let's start with the first one. This one is A. The second one, A. A. Yes, these 2 has same sound, A. Good job. And one more line added, and we add one sound, U sound, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, these 2 also has the same sound, yeah, right, yeah. Okay, and then this sound, we make this O and A together, and we make it fast. Oa, 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 and then wa. Great. Wa. U and O together, make it fast. It ends with wa. You're right. Wa. Okay, so this one, wa. Once more, wa. Good job. And then next one, we. O and E together, we. Good job. U and E together, we. So, we. And the last, this one, what's the sound of this one? We, right. So these three has same sound again. We. Great. One last time. We. What's the difference between them? The shape is different and we choose different vowels to a specific words. So what we have to do was memorize which vowel we have to use for each and which words. But the sound is same. Okay. And then U, E together. We. Great. It is we. And the last one, U, E together. Ui. Great. So this one was we. Good job. I cannot actually hear you, but I can see your mouth. You guys are doing so great. Yes, it's moving right. 좋아요. So the next is consonant. So we are okay with the vowels. And the consonants, we had, okay, another quiz. Consonants can make a syllable by itself. Yes, no. Yes. The answer is no. Every syllable needs one vowel, so only one consonant cannot make a syllable by itself. Okay, so we always need a vowel. And then consonants we can have. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Yeah. A syllable can have more than one consonant. So we can have one consonant or two consonants. Is that okay? Oh, so many right answers because that's not what I have expected. Good job. We did this at the first class. So a syllable can have one or two consonants and only one vowel. Good job. Okay. So we learned 4 basic consonants at the first class, and we also did 15 consonant sets, which was the basic, aspirated, and tensed one. Good job. Yeah, right. So let's start with the basic one. What was this? Ah, yes, ah. It doesn't have any sound. Ah. The second one, na. N sound, na. Okay, the third one, la. Great, la. And the last, this one is ma. Okay, good job. Ma. Let's read it once more. A, na, la, ma. Great. So the consonant sets was again basic, aspirated, and tensed. Let's say the set. This one was ka. The last one, ka. Good job. Once more. Ka. Fill the air. Ka. And then ka. Great. The second set was ta. The sound. Ta. Great. And your power, ta. Good job. Ta. One more time. 다, 타, 따. Good job. And this one. 부, 부, 부. 부 sound. 파, 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 파. And the last. 빠, 빠. Great. 한 번 더. Once more. 파, 파, 빠. Good job. And this one. 자. J, J sound. 자, 차, 차. And then 자. I like your faces when you say the 10th one. 자. You're right. Good job. Once more. 자, 차, and then 자. Good job. 좋아요. And this one was the last one, and we had the special one here. Let's start with the basic one. 스 sound, 사, 사. And for the aspirated one, we used ha. Ha, ha, ha is the sound of our left. Ha, ha. And then last, the power, 사, 사. Okay, once more. 사, 하, 사. Good job. So this was the 40 letters. And we also did these much words so far. Can you believe? Yes, we did. So I just picked random words and we will try to read it without the English. Oh, we had some more. Okay, what was this? Let's try to read the word. Try to read it. Yes, 기차. 기차. Good job. 기차 was a train. 기차, great. And let's try to read this one. The under there is not, we didn't learn it yet, but still we can read it. 진짜? 진짜. Really? 진짜. So this ramen was really spicy ramen, right? 진짜. How about this? What was this animal? 호랑이. 호랑이. Yes, it was a tiger. Tiger, 호랑이. What was this? We used the combined vowel. 얘기. Great. 얘기. It was, what are we doing now? 얘기. Yes, we are talking. 얘기, right? How about this? 회사. 회사. This is not 화사, not the singer. 회사. The company. 회사. Okay. And this one, older sister. Yes, some of you are pointing me. Yes, 언니. 언니. Yes, I'm your older sister, right? 언니, older sister for the girls. If you're a guy, you can call me 누나. There's another word, 누나. Okay. And this one, what was this? 머리, 머리, right? 머리, it was our head or hair. 머리. Okay, and this sports was 야구. Great. 야구. It was a baseball. 야구. Great. And where was this? 다리. Great. 다리, which means our legs. 다리, 다리. And the last word. I can see 파랑 shirts. Yes, I can see 파랑 bag too. 파랑 item. Great. 파랑 means blue. 파랑. 파랑 wall. You are a winner. 파랑. Good job. It is a blue. Great. So we did this much words and I checked now you remember most of the words. Great, great.